Yeah, my name is Curtis. I work for Restivos Heating and Cooling. One of the things that we see a lot with the ductless heads are mold buildup inside the fans. And that's becoming a major issue right now. So I'm here in the Lamandona's house right in South Kingston, and they're gonna allow us to do a little demonstration on how we can go about to clean it. I just came up with this little concept, this little pan, so it's gonna allow me to, let me show you another video here of what's happening. So a lot of these units, they're getting mold buildup, and that's becoming big. I know a lot of the companies are not addressing those issues, but that's one of the things we want to start doing, is starting to clean inside of these units, because that's what the customers breathe in all during the day, is the air from these units, and it could make them sick as well. Right. Start with the evaporator rinse, called rinse, and what we do is just shine up in there. Okay, and I use a nice little brazing rod to move the blade, and then I can hit it again. Okay. Also, I'm gonna go until I get the whole complete fan. Okay, you're getting there. I think we're just about there. Okay, so now I think I got it all. That's perfect. So I like what I see right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna get. Basically, I have a little bit of soap and water mix. I already sprayed the chemical, which is the cold cleaner, on top. And basically, it's just loosening up all that gunk. And when I'm done, I'm also going to brush it. So I'm just trying to get it nice and soft, to the point where I can now, you see all that mold, black stuff is coming down. That's basically what it is. So now we use the brush, and basically we just try to get it. This is just the mold residue and dust that was inside the fan. So that's basically what it is, just crap. Yeah, but I'll give you another, when I'm done you would see I'm gonna get all in the back, so we just have to rinse it now and it'll be fine. So I take a scrubby to finish. It's like a wipe. It's a good thing I like Chinese food. I go back and forth. It's already came out clean. Anything that was missed in the back, we can get to it. Just a little grazing rod. But this came out really nice. So no more mold buildup, nice and clean. And it's just a matter of anything that could have been missed in the back, I'll get it with that. So job's all done. We're gonna put the unit back together. Cover is on. Slide the filters in. Filters in. Everything is nice and clean. Close the door. In here. Beautiful.